Our app is based around the Divvy Bike API. For those of you who don't know what Divvy bikes are, they're a lot like the VO rides of Chicago. The main difference being that Divvy bikes can only be picked up and placed into specific docking stations. Our app pulls information about all of the Divvy bike stations from Divvy Bike's free open API. We then process this data and sort it to the 20 nearest stations to the user. We place this 20 nearest stations into the table view. The user can then scroll through this table view to view all these stations. The table starts at the station nearest to the user and ends at the station furthest from the user. We've also provided a refresh button in the top left corner. When this button is pressed, it refreshes the table view to the new 20 closest stations to the user. However, when I press this button, since I'm not moving around Chicago right now, you will not see the list change. If the user wants to see more information about a particular station, they must click on the row that corresponds to that station. This moves to a new activity. On this activity, we provide information specific to that station, such as the name of that station, its current status, how many bikes are available at it, and how many docks are available for a bike to be placed into. In addition to this, if the user is curious as to where more specifically this station is, they can click the View on Maps button, which opens Google Maps and will bring up the coordinates of the station. From there, they can get directions to the station. We've also placed a pin so it is more obvious as to the exact location of the station.
This is our tasks class. This is where we make our async task call for our API. This is our station class. This is where we create an object for each station and store variables about it that we display in the detail activity.
All right, this is our main activity, and here we parse the JSON and store each object of a station to a list which we then sort based on the distance away from the user. Then in detailed activities where we display the specific information about each station when one clicks on it in the app. We pushed all our commits to GitHub so we can work on it together, and as you can see here, each member contributed to the process of making this app.